My favorite feature of this machine is the fact that I don't have to hang a hose over my shoulder anymore. I don't have to drag hoses. I don't have to hook anything up no more. It all pretty much swings, does it all its own thing. And I like the hot water feature because it allows you to cut through roots and stuff a lot faster.
Just the sheer volume of material you could suck up, the power, it had so much more power, just made everything easier. It was remote controlled, and just a complete game changer.
Some of the features to the VXT300 over some of our competitors are our CFMs that we're getting out of our blower. We're getting 3,500 CFMs on a smaller truck. This is an 8-yard truck, so it's 1,600 gallons of spoil. And we have 800 gallons of fresh water. Some of our competitors don't have quite as much fresh water with their smaller trucks, so that is a competitive advantage. As well as having a 420,000 BTU heater on the truck that allows us to work in the wintertime with our heat trace and our heated cabinets and cut through ground that is maybe frozen or cut through roots or the tough clay.